Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. My people, we don't carry another Tori War come again. According to one of my sisters, she say Tori War the goes where they happen for social media. We don't carry a come again, my amazing people. Oh, we want to talk about today. You get this video when Proud Mom do. We say more carry a come here, more analyze this video, my amazing people. The video say Gbola. Una know wetin they call Gbola wey dey strong for inside kpekus. She say na women dey loyal for. Una believe her? That woman no kill me with laugh. Sometimes go dey vex for her, sometimes go dey fall in love with her. My people, wetin una think for the women? Wetin una think say Gbola wey dey strong for inside kpekus na woman dey loyal for? Mona no fail to drop una comment. I would like to see una comment. And for the men also, any man wey come across this video, na Gbola wey dey make do for inside kpekus. They will say this girl spoil. Now me do the topic. Oh, na Proud Mom, now she do the topic. So na Gbola wey dey strong na women dey loyal to the men. Now question I throw give una, Mona no fail to answer my question. So before we start our video analyzing today, please my amazing people, if you know still never subscribe to this channel, no fail to subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video now will receive. And please my people, subscription are free. No fail to help me hit the subscribe button, okay? And also help me share this video. God bless you. So my amazing people, will go on the video. Let hear as she take talk and say Gbola when they strong for inside kpekus, say na women they loyal for. My amazing people, we'll go. Let's hear from her mouth. My amazing people.
Gbola when it is strong for inside kpekus, na woman they loyal to.
Okay.
No be Gbola when they use hand they force put for inside kpekus, woman not they loyal to that kind Gbola. We make bele. Now Gbola when it reach to hold, you go feel hold land with hands. You go be like say you hold cucumber. Now woman they loyal to. Gbola when you go define, instead of you to touch Gbola, you go be like say you hold hands. Now process they see the hold. How can you call yourself a man talk like say you define loyalty? Now man when he gets the dark cucumber, woman not deliver. Una when they talk about chentrol, una think say na that kind Gbola na chentrol take the collect money for woman. How can you get a baby Gbola? You define respect a loyal woman when he loyal. How can a small Gbola define kpekus when he tights? Which kpekus go tight small Gbola? Even though you give small Gbola a virgin, now it can never virgin any woman. Because the woman, even small Gbola virgin a woman, that woman never still virgin. If the dark Gbola enter, she go still be virgin. A small Gbola not fit sleep with a woman, make a woman hear her. No, but even though not virgin.
My people, what you not think about this audio? Hey, Proud Mom, you know, kill me with laugh. We say, small Gbola no fit this virgin woman. Now there you for lie now. Now there you for come off for the topic. Yeah, actually they talk this thing now. I like this video now. Make me carry a come here. I like the video. I'm not there yet to come judge and if she not still do well, I still they talk and if she still do well, I will still talk and this video say small Gbola no fit this gangbang woman. Yes, so small Gbola dey where they do better work. So Proud Mom gist and my people, una know say some Gbola like this, they say there's day he big anyhow. He no fit do his work. Una believe her. Some Gbola day like this, they're big anyhow. If you say, you go say, oh, mon see something. But if you carry something, give her. That big Gbola no fit do anything. But small Gbola, when they say small Gbola, most of our people go say, I beg you, wait till when you small Gbola do. Small Gbola there when do work past big Gbola. So if we dey talk all these things now, Proud Mom, they will say, I like this topic. But if we dey talk as she take talk and me come still carry, if most people watch this video, they'll say, ah, these people too spoil. No be spoil. Sometimes we just need to, talk some funny thing. This thing dey very funny. E dey very funny, my people. Proud more funny. Say Gbola, say small Gbola no fit do anything. I lie you. If some small Gbola do work for you, you go run. And abroad, this abroad spoil us. It spoil we women well. Okay, when we dey Nigeria sef, we no even know wetin be small Gbola or big Gbola. And when we dey Nigeria sef, me I know that time most of us no know wetin be say person do the vaga, e can't even how I want to talk and I can't even come. When we dey Nigeria, we no know all those things, but this abroad dem destroy many people life and e still repair many people life. Abroad dey spoil things so abroad dey spoil things so. Wetin una think, my people? More continue with the audio. When I enjoy the audio with me, not be only me go enjoy. I say me I carry and come, me all of us enjoy this audio together.
You understand? No be small Gbola go dey demand loyalty from a woman. How can a jobless man be looking for a loyalty woman? You are jobless. You have no use. You have no respect for a woman. You dey find woman when he go loyal to you. You not be able to do that.
My people, more add our words before we continue. She say, how can a small Gbola dey find respect from a woman? Yes, if you respect your man, na small Gbola na dey together. Okay, maybe I get man now and the man get small Gbola. If I no like her, I no go dey with her. Since you get the mind to dey with the man, you get that mind to respect that man. You say job, maybe man wey no get work, he still want respect. Yes, as a husband, we be African. As a husband, you need to give am that 100% respect. Now 50-50, not 100. 50-50, you give her respect, he go also give you the same respect. Not be say because he no get work or because Gbola no gallant where you say no give her respect. We must give her respect. Say na our husband, na man. Anything where Gbola don't dey under, and you can't be saying now you be the woman, he marry you, put for house, now you pay your dowry. You need to respect your husband. 100%, you need to respect your husband. And that your husband too, small Gbola, not small Gbola, he need to respect you, and you also need to give him your respect. So my people, let's continue.
You do with that, my dear. If you define woman when he go loyal to you, go and do a surgery Gbola. Extra large, go large your Gbola. Imagine how woman go leave man when he gets small Gbola. You go dey expect say she miss am. They know they need small Gbola. They know they miss small Gbola. E good make man dey get better Gbola, Turkish Gbola. To all the smallest Gbola all over the world. More than not fit bad about this video. More than not fit bad about this video. But only wetin I just want to let you know. If you get small Gbola, only where woman go still manage your Gbola. Now make you get some more respect. Say now you get some more Gbola, respect you no get. And you decide woman when he go loyal to you, my brother, you go get her from the pit of hair. Not be from this world.
My sister, na there you for lie. Small Gbola or big Gbola, Gbola na Gbola. Wetin I dey for inside, may sabi use am. No be you carry something wey big pass you, you no sabi use am. Okay, you say make go fix fake Gbola now. If okay, say men, as some men no can get big Gbola, the man will can go fix fake Gbola. The fake Gbola no go fit work as the original when Baba wey creators give us. Give am. My sister, sometimes I know say make dem just say you talk. They make you dey talk this talk. Not be say this your topic, e no follow road at all. Na because of
na Gbola when dey make woman scream, make am say baby lasa easy, na woman dey lawyer to. You don't understand? Now, Gbola, when it tick, now they take woman to apologize to me and say, baby, I don't want to miss you. Take this 1,000 euro that you requested. You don't understand? Gbola, when you know this Gbola, what did they pay put for that kind of Gbola? When they pay for small Gbola, how will I tell you to? As we did, so I can never drop 50 cents for a small Gbola or be lawyer to a small Gbola. No. A Gbola me, at least if not be cucumber size. Maybe banana, carrot still get size. You know if you get the smallest size of carrot when children they eat, that children carrot when they wrap, then you see they find respect from a woman. Carrot, that carrot when you see big, if you still get that one, you see they manageable. Say the smallest carrot when they sell €1, you get that size, you find respect. My brother, you go get them from the pit of hair. You don't understand? Now, Gbola, when you reach Gbola, now a woman they honor. Gbola, when you reach Gbola, now a woman they respect. Gbola, when you reach Gbola, when they walk, they put food for table, now a woman they worship. You know if you get baby Dixie, maybe they find respect. Baby Dixie, maybe they find respect. Huh? Who does that? Now, better Gbola, Bokish Gbola, now a woman they honor. A Bokish Gbola, na woman dey honor. You know if you get a kia na bege, na if they find am, they not dey see am, they hold. Now you dey say you just touch your organ something, inside there, you go dey find am, you no go see am, and you dey find respect. My brother, go collect am for where you keep am. Better Gbola, na dey play shetro. Man wey dey knack well.
But proud mom, as she dey talk this word, so no better man go come as say husband. Since you dey find big Gbola, some men go dey come fake men because na you dey find big Gbola. My sister, sometimes more reason wetin we dey talk for social media. Yeah, na social media where when you drop anything, they go far. E dey go very far. People dey see am. Maybe husband when God say na this one he want maybe your husband, now you go see all this video when you dey make because of that word when you dey talk. If he run, you go say no, I no fit. Man when get everything, like he dey work, he get your paper, he no go like to come meet you with all this plenty talk. When you dey talk, he go run, he go say no, he no go fit. From the beginning, I love this your video, but now I not gonna like the video again because sometimes as we say we dey abroad, we still need respect because we not be Oyibo, we be Africa. No matter what, say we dey this country, one day we will go back to our country. Yeah, not be our country. One day we go comot. So when we dey talk, at least more try dey like put small respect. More not just dey talk because we just feel like to talk. My sister, the video dey very funny and it makes sense, but it not still make sense. You see, the video makes sense, also it not make sense. You see, my sister, please more try like more dey respect ourselves. It dey very important. No matter what, Gbola no reach Gbola, but we dey cry put for the Gbola. You know see Gbola wey no reach Gbola, you no go even shed tears. Like you no come on social media call the talk bra na so e be. Like me now, if I do any Gbola, me I not dey into a I not dey do Gbola. I be virgin. Like me now, if I do any Gbola wey be say e no gallant well, na to hide and do am na. I no go even carry am come social media. Wetin I wan use am do for social media? Wetin no reach Gbola, wetin no reach me do? I can't let people know say I hide be go chop this thing. I no go even let people Like, I no go let people hear am. So my sister, stop am, stop am. More continue, more enjoy the video small. Me still dey enjoy am, but just that we need to say the truth. We need to tell her the truth, like this thing not dey right.
You know, not be little. All women need better Gbola. Little, no, you know, it's not enough. You don't understand? It's not enough. You know, if you don't know anything, you can't respect the woman. Man, it good when you did knock it. Man, when you did knock, where and now you see as a guest, if man they misuse them, you go they ask and say, what is the secret? You leave that man and go, you don't understand. If woman easily break up with a man, you will not say Gbola na baby Gbola. You don't understand? Gbola na baby Gbola. If you deal with woman, the woman's teaching, you will not say you know they try as a man.
Otocha. Otocha. You go say Otocha. Big bekus.
If you like it, you might be your own. Because your Gbola is not manageable. Gbola one and me. Gbola all and me. You don't understand? You know if you get Gbola, it's still small. Don't get hair. You know they stand on time.
Jesus.
Maybe they find woman when they pay for such a erotic thing. Who does that? It can't be my brother. Grammy. So find this video interesting. Don't forget to share them so that all the men when it gets to Gbola, and it's still small, not be the problem. You know they stand on time. In the next
Proud mom no go kill me with laugh. Oh, you know they stand on time. Waiting on they stand on time. But we be one make come our house. Come on, more they start truth now. You know they stand on time. We be one make carry gbogbo make come our house. My people, wetin una think about this video? Wetin una think about this woman video? Say Gbola when small, e no sabi work. No be all Gbola small when no sabi work. So Gbola when small, they sabi work. Pass Tuturu Gbola, that is a big Gbola. So Gbola when small, if they do work today, you will imagine and say, now this small thing, and then they do work, but this abroad spoil sha. God need to deliver most people for this abroad. Abroad to spoil us. When we dey bongo, when we dey naija, we no know whether Gbola big or Gbola not big. We no know whether Gbola small. Most of us no even know whether they even dey concept if they do the duduvaga. Abroad spoil us well. So my amazing people, I don't leave on for now. I'm gonna judge this matter. Whether na all Gbola when big. Oh, na sabi work and all Gbola when small, na no sabi work. My amazing people. See you on my next video. God bless you. Please, before I go, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and also on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, I will receive my video. God bless you. See you on my next video. Stay blessed. Love you.